Beta, I had explained you types of function: bijective, injective, surjective. Okay, so we'll continue discussing question number 2. Check the injectivity 1 and surjectivity on 2 for the following functions. So a function mapped from natural numbers to natural numbers given by fx is equal to x square. Okay, so question number 2 here. Okay, so for checking 1 nature, we pick up two elements from the domain. So I have picked up x1, x2 be arbitrary natural numbers. Domain हमारी natural numbers थी. Now, what do we say? Let the images be equal. So ये image represent करता है fx1 is equal to fx2. Put it in the definition, that is x1 square will be equal to x2 square, which would imply x1 is equal to x2, because it was mapped from natural numbers to natural numbers. Okay, so x1 x2 are natural numbers, so square of two natural numbers can be equal only if the natural numbers are equal. हर natural number का एक unique square होगा. Yes or no? Okay, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि two squares हैं तो उनके लिए या एक square के लिए two different natural numbers हैं, I should say. Okay, so we know that clearly for natural numbers that square of different natural numbers is different, and if the square is same, they are the same natural numbers. Alright, so it is 1 that means it is injective in nature. Now to check its surjectivity, we would pick up element from the codomain. Codomain was also a natural number. Okay, so if y is any element of codomain, that means if y is a natural number, then y by definition should be equal to x square. Now we'll change the subject, we'll find x from here. X would be under root of y. Okay, and then this we have to check whether this belongs to a domain or not. Okay, तो इसमें आप examples से clear हो जा रहा है. ये ऐसा नहीं भी दिखाओ, negative example भी quote कर दोगे enough, but again that would be very clear that this cannot be under root of every number, cannot be necessarily a natural number. So better off with that will be very clear from the example. I have chosen one natural number 2, and then x would be then under root of 2, which is definitely not a natural number. So that means this is not an onto function, or it is not surjective. ठीक है, that is how you show surjectivity. Okay, समझ रहे हो? All right, now next is for the same function is same but उसका mapping change हो गया है from z to z, from integer to integer. So now your x1 x2 will be chosen as any two integers. So if f1 x2 are integers, then again images are equal, means this is what our images are. Now when you are finding x1 and x2 relation between x1 and x2, then you will have both the signs. Integers तो negative भी होते हैं, natural number तो positive भी होते हैं, तो हमने यहाँ बोला सीधे x1 is equal to x2. But in case of integers we know जब हम under root लेते हैं it can be plus minus of x2, or better off clear with the help of example here. See, -2 का square कर रहे हो या 2 का square कर रहे हो, both is coming as 4. Okay, तो ये many one mapping हो गई. Right, many one mapping, it is not injective. Right, then if again I start by choosing some integer 2 is an integer, then x from here would be under root of वही जैसा ऊपर हुआ था plus minus 2. Anyhow it is coming out not as an integer. Okay, so it is not an this is not surjective as well. All right, now children, the third set given to you here is, see children, the similar thing is there. Function is the same, fx is equal to x square, and abhi mapping की है from real numbers to real numbers. Okay, so again it won't be 1 जब integers में ही 1 नहीं था तो. Okay, this is a bigger set, same issue. You can take वही example ले सकते हो आप, -2 and +2 all integers are real numbers. Okay, so by chance ये set आता है तो भी आप यही example quote कर सकते हो. So it is not 1 you've understood very clearly from here, same argument here. Okay, now for surjectivity, that is if you're considering under root of -2, I have chosen y as a real number which is negative of 2, and when I'm finding x from there, x will be under root, it will be under root of -2, and under root of -2 it's not a real number. Real numbers में we know that under root of negative numbers is not defined. Okay, so हमने दिखा दिया कि this is surjective because this image that we are getting pre-image that we are getting is not belonging to the domain. All right, fine. Then next, your fourth part is from natural numbers to natural number, and this time it is cube of the function. Okay, have I done it? Okay, this way. So here I've taken this from natural number to natural number. Function is x cube. Same reasoning होगी. Okay. Okay. So this time you will take again x1, x2 belonging to natural numbers. Images equal means put it in the definition, and cubes of two natural numbers are equal only if the natural numbers are equal. You know, अलग अलग natural number की cube अलग अलग होती जाती है, right? तो ये 1-1 mapping होगी same way. Now, for surjectivity, if you pick up any natural number and then you find its pre-image, x is the pre-image, is cube root of by a natural number. So, cube root of every natural number need not necessarily be natural number. हमने यहाँ पे एक natural number लिया 2, उसका pre-image आ रहा है cube root of 2, which is not a natural number. जबकि हमारा domain should be a natural number. So, element of means we have image which doesn't have a pre-image. So it is not surjective. All right. Then I think there was one more. This function was the same here again. The function is same and it's mapped from integers to integers. So I think likewise आप कर लोगे. All right. Just check it out and just see if you have any confusion or not. Okay. So again आपका integers के case में. Yes. So now let's move on to question number 3. 3 is saying that you have to prove that greatest integer function, you know this symbol is for greatest integer function. I hope you all remember the definition of greatest integer function. Okay, that gives you the greatest, the integer just before the number we are talking about. Decimal part छोड़ के खाली integers लेने होते हैं. Okay, remember we had studied that. So we have to prove that this greatest integer function mapped from real numbers to real numbers will be neither on 1 nor on 2. So you can again यहाँ पे easily examples से quote up कर सकते हो. Like question number 3, I've picked up two real numbers. 2.5 is a real number. 2.7 is also a real number. When I'm finding image of 2.5, that's coming as 2. Image of 2.7 is also coming as 2. So ये आपने दिखा दी many one mapping. Clear? Okay. So ये many one हो गई. Clearly आप कहोगे this is not on 2 क्योंकि आपने two different entries के लिए same image मिल गई आपको. So it is many one mapping. Okay. Now for the onto nature. Okay, तो अब यहाँ पे definition में present करना बहुत difficult हो जाएगा. So this is another way of showing surjectivity. Okay, surjectivity को हम ऐसे भी define कर सकते हैं. What did I say? Surjective कब होता है? Function onto कब होता है? जब codomain में कुछ भी extra elements नहीं बचते हैं. जब पूरी codomain is equal to the range. Okay, so rather than doing all that mathematical, वो depends upon the function. किसी में mathematical presentation easy होगा and किसी में आपको सीधे जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने quote कर दिया है कि I know that range of this particular function. अब ये क्या है? Greatest integer function है. तो greatest integer function का answer हमेशा क्या आता है? Integer आता है, right? तो I have written range of this function is integer. We know greatest integer function का जो range आता है या जो उसकी images आएंगी, outcomes आएंगे, y की value आएगी, that would be integer. और जबकि ये function जो map किया गया था ये r to r था, from real numbers to real numbers. So that means your codomain was given as real number. Okay, तो real number is a bigger set than integers. We know that. तो real बहुत सारे real numbers छूट गए जिनको pre-image नहीं मिलेगी. That means. Okay, so that is another way of writing it, that range of the function, whenever range is equal to codomain, that is onto function. क्योंकि उसका इन दोनों के equal होने का मतलब है कोई भी element छूटा नहीं है codomain में. Okay, सबकी mapping हो गई है. Okay, and अगर range छोटा होता है codomain से तो इसका मतलब कुछ elements बच गए हैं तो वो onto function नहीं होता है. Right? So this way you can present it. That range of this function is integers, which is a subset of, I have not written not equal to, there are different ways you can present your answer. So this is a smaller set than codomain, so this is not onto. Clear? Okay, likewise next is your greatest integer function की बात कर रहा था वो. Greatest integer function again mapped from r to r. तो modulus function, yes. For modulus function, our greatest integer function we have already dealt. Next function was modulus function. तो modulus function में भी हमें पता है कि modulus function क्या करता है, हमेशा positive answer देता है. तो एक example से दिखा दिया है, -2 का value का y would come out to be 2, 2 का y would also come out to be 2. So there are two different entries in the domain which are giving you the same mapping. So many one mapping हो गई आपकी. This is not injective. Okay, likewise अभी मॉडुलस फंक्शन का आंसर हमेशा पॉजिटिव आता है. Okay, so I have written out here range of this function is r plus. R plus means all positive real numbers. तो कोई भी वैल्यू होगी अंदर मॉडुलस के, आंसर आपका पॉजिटिव हो जाना है. तो इसका रेंज हमेशा क्या आता है? पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स विच इज स्मॉलर देन द सेट रियल नंबर्स, जो कि हमको कोडोमेन गिवन थी. तो ये भी ऑन टू फंक्शन, आई मीन ऑन टू फंक्शन नहीं हुआ. दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट ऑन टू, दिस विल बी एन इनटू मैपिंग. Okay, now next is a question number 5 out here is given to you as, okay, fifth one ऐसी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं हम. आई होप बाय क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 and 4 you are very clear with how to present it. Show that signum function, remember signum function क्या होता था? मॉडुलस ऑफ x अपॉन x, वैसे हम लिखते हैं. तो उसको अगर एक्सपैंड कर दो मॉडुलस की डेफिनेशन को, सो फॉर ऑल पॉजिटिव नंबर्स इट कम्स आउट टू बी 1. 0 पे 0 डिफाइंड होता है ये. ओके, अदरवाइज इट्स x अपॉन x, 0 बाई 0 इनडिटर्मिनेट फॉर्म है वो एक्चुअली. ओके, बट इट इज डिफाइंड लाइक दिस, लिमिटिंग वैल्यू, ये सब कुछ स्टडी करके. फाइन, देन फॉर ऑल नेगेटिव वैल्यूज इट विल कम एज -1. we've studied all this last year children, just you need to revise it that. okay, so signum function, x का कुछ भी वैल्यू हो, कोई भी पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर हो, आंसर 1 आएगा. कोई भी नेगेटिव रियल नंबर हो,